Hey, it's your boy Taylor Grant. I'm here with Bellator Claims Resolution. It's Bellator Claims Resolution, and I'm here to talk to you about the denial of the day. Today, we have Maria of Boulder. I made a claim due to a windstorm blowing shingles off our home. It happens, especially in that valley near the mountains. The wind kicks up and can be extremely high speeds. We had a roofing company come out and quote the damage, but the claim was closed due to the damage being less than our deductible. We see this a lot where the insurance company sends out a ladder assist or a contractor to act on their behalf as an adjuster, which is illegal, but they pretend like they're not adjusters, but they kind of are because they're adjusting the claim. But the insurance company says they're not adjusting the claim, which is complete bullshit. We all know it, right? They do that. And it is illegal for someone that is not an adjuster that is licensed to actually adjust the claim. It is unauthorized practice of law sometimes, unauthorized practice of public adjusting. They accuse the insured's contractors of doing the same thing that they somehow get away with. Weird. Who has the most money to pay the most lobbyists? Is it the consumer or is it the insurance company? Have you noticed if you watch football, every single commercial break that I've seen recently across pretty much every game I've watched has one certain sector of the industry, insurance. Again, I can't remember a single commercial break that was longer than just a 30-second snippet, like a true commercial break, that didn't have an insurance company advertising. Weird. Do you think if they spent less money advertising and actually paying your claim, you would be more satisfied as an insurance consumer? Maybe. So I guarantee they're spending over $250 million a year, like without a doubt, right? That their marketing budgets are so high. What if they took some of that money and actually paid your claim? You think that'd be fair? Okay, I digress. Let's see. My overall experience was horrible. I never talked to the same person twice and was never called back. Do not go through this company. They will make your life miserable. And guess what? Part of the whole process of the insurance companies paying or not paying claims is, in our experience, to make your life kind of miserable because they want you to give up. Because guess what happens when you give up? They make more money. Guess what happens when you give up? You don't get the money, so they get to keep the money. So if you give up, by them making your life miserable, they win. And I'm very competitive, and I hate losing. So I would hate to see you not win when I think you maybe could be winning based on the damage that occurred to your property. Is it a covered cause of loss? Is it covered in the policy? If it is, then you should be winning, right? And you should be fully indemnified, meaning if something happens, it's a covered cause of loss, you should be made as good or better than before the loss occurred. If you have the correct policy, which takes me into a totally different tangent, that cheap insurance is cheap until you need your claim paid. So make sure you have the right coverage. But if you're getting told to do one thing and then they're running around in circles, not calling you back, you have to call multiple times. Make sure you have a log, a written log, if it's just a journal, a piece of paper, a sticky note, whatever it might be of all the calls you've made, because that might help us be able to help you. The better you are educated, the more you are educated, the better our results can be for you, okay? So understand that the better you are at documenting the things you have gone through, the excuses they've given you, the lies they've told you, the appointments that they've missed, the calls that they didn't keep as far as calling you back and things like that, you are doing yourself a huge favor by documenting everything, because when it comes to us, we can help you better. Okay? So contact us today, bellatorclaims.com. We'll see what we can do to help you out and win for you, because we love helping our clients win. It's best for everybody when the insured is actually truly indemnified. Contact us today, bellatorclaims.com.